G'day aspiring engineers. In this video I want to show you a little project where I made a kite to go with my skateboard. So we'll do this in 4 parts. The first part is where I do some 2D sketching before I turn on the CAD machine. And I wanted to show you a few ideas about sketching for quite some time. Finally getting around to that now. Next I'll show you the CAD process where I download a T-piece with the main part of the frame from McMaster-Carr, and then I'll show you how I made the different parts of the frame in Fusion 360. That'll just be a walkthrough. After that I'll show you how I made the kite at home. And at the end I'll just show you a short snippet about how I'm having some fun on that skateboard with the kite. Let's get started. And yes, I do have an iPad and I'm using the Freeform app. I'm also using the Apple Pencil, and here I've just got the infinite canvas, and I'm testing a few ideas. One with the Delta kite, another one with a curved leading edge with battens in it. Thinking of a couple of ideas there. Just asking myself a few questions, thinking about how I can break the thing down and put it in my car. A few different price options for either way. Now I'm into CAD, into Fusion. This is Autodesk Fusion. Getting the main part, that's the T-piece at the center of the frame from McMaster-Carr. It's a T-piece, a PVC thing with a download link. Bring that into Fusion directly, saves a ton of time. There's a piece of wooden doweling in the middle of it. And then I'm just going to take 2 bits of PVC pipe and jam them in over the dowel and inside the step inside the T-piece. So even though I've got I've got some of the components appearance as white plastic, some of the others are. Anyway, then I'm going on to extrude, doing a sweep for the leading edge, which is going to be bent with a piece of rope so that it's a bit like a bow. You know, you can make an archery bow with PVC pipe. So that's where I got the idea, hey, I can make the leading edge of the kite with a piece of rope holding it in shape. And then the boom, that is the handle, the thing that you're going to hold on to, that comes out of the third exit of the T-piece. And you can see the wood inside the T-piece there. I haven't got that coloured at the moment, but here it is. This is the third piece of pipe, and I've got the size of the plastic tarpaulin there, which is the sail of the kite, making a little slot in the end of the boom so that a piece of rope with 2 knots in it can fall across there. Anyway, you'll see in a video later on how I've got the rope all set up. Even though I'm not modelling the rope here, the frame is the thing where there's a bit of, well, there's some benefit from having a CAD model of it. Oh, and did I say that the square meters of the sail itself is easy to get from Fusion with the inspect tool, and that is it's nearly exactly 2.5 square meters of kite. Not a really big kite when it comes to these kinds of skating kites. Now there's a piece of dowel also at the ends of the leading edge, and I haven't put 2 holes in them here, but 2 holes, there's 2 pieces of rope involved in the assembly. You can see me here, I'm just experimenting a little bit as I go. I thought maybe a fillet might be the way to go, but then I thought, no, it's got to be a chamfer. I'm going to get rid of the fillet, try the chamfer instead. So I'm using the mirror command to copy that across to the other side. See that here in a tick. That's all, folks. I'll see you next time.